Mike Hughes here. I'm at Sandals of all destinations, and I'm here with Mark and Gail. And you want to tell us a little bit about Sandals?
Sure. Well, welcome to the Caribbean. Welcome to Liahona Travel here in the Seattle area, where we're featuring Sandals and Beaches Resorts. We're located in 7 English-speaking Caribbean islands, spanning from the Bahamas to Grenada to Turks and Caicos to St. Lucia.
So if I'm going to come over here, I might lose you all right now,
That's
but
all right.
We're just going to look at the islands, and you can see Antigua, Barbados, Grenada, St. Lucia.
Grenada, yeah, for sure.
Tomato,
so, Mike,
tomato.
The beauty of what we offer and the reason why we're here at the dive show is to introduce the area to Sandals and Beaches Resorts and to inform the public that diving is included at our resorts.
Everything's inclusive,
Everything's
isn't it?
included. It's a luxury resort. It's gourmet meals, luxury accommodations, premium wine and spirits. So you really don't want for anything once you get on property.
It's almost like heaven, but a different island.
It's heaven on earth. There's no question about that. It's a good way to put it.
Okay. Well, thank you very much for your time.
It's my pleasure. Our pleasure, Mike.